Hi everyone. My SLK's got a little leak on its transmission, and my friends on the forum have told me to clean off the excess transmission fluid using petrol. Sounds like a fairly crazy thing to do, so I thought I'll take you along for the ride. So I've got a tray and I've got some petrol, I've got a brush, and I've got some kitchen towel. So let's see how I get on. Pop you over there. See where we are. Oh. There it is. Got my tray underneath. What I'm going to do first is just put my petrol in the tray, just in case I knock it over. And just going to brush on a bit of this petrol, see if it starts to move it. Hopefully it'll take the transmission fluid with it. I'll keep my bits of kitchen roll from running away. Hoping this is going to take the transmission fluid with it and it'll run off, but I may have to wipe it down as well. We'll see. Let's see if I can get my tray out of it. There we go. Petrol is obviously quite nasty stuff. I don't really want to get it on my hands. So I've not got gloves on, but and the the exhaust is warm but not hot. So I'm fairly confident that we're free of any explosion risk here. Obviously the car is switched off. I haven't disconnected the battery, but fairly confident in that. Oh, it's very smelly and there's lots of vapour. Let's get a bit of this rag and see if that help clean it up. Oh yeah, look at that. That's pretty cool. So I'm wiping off the petrol with the oil. I'm sure not, oil, transmission fluid. I'm sure that's coming off better than it would without petrol. There's a couple of things I'm looking for here. I haven't got to the main potential culprit, which is an electrical connector around the front, or around the back rather. I think it's around the back. Yeah, it's around. Was it on here? No, I think it might be on this side. I need to take this cover off to have a look. But there was quite a lot around the back, so I wanted to work my way around, see if there's any cracks in this gasket or any seepage from the gasket. I might have to run the car once I've cleaned this to see if it draws up any. There we go. I'm going to keep going, and maybe we'll come back for the next video and see where it leaks. Thanks for watching.